This is SEMA 2025. My name is Peter Brock. I'm one of the original designers of this great GT350. We're going to spend a little time talking about it, but I want to talk a little bit about what's inside and what makes it so special, which is the Dynamat material that we've got on the inside. So I know you're all looking to see what it's going to look like, so let's put the cover off and take a look at the car. So this is one of the most interesting cars that I had to do for Carroll Shelby, because originally he didn't actually want to do the car at all, and Lee Iacocca called up, and what they wanted to do was put this car in the SCCA races, and the SCCA says, well, this is really not a sports car, you know, so they actually turned them down. So Lee Iacocca called Carroll in the office. I was sitting there, and he said, you know, we just talked to the SCCA and they won't let us put the car in there as a sports car. So Carroll picks up the phone, calls the SCCA, and says, how about if we take the back seats out and I do a little work on the engine, and we'll make it a sports car. So that's really the whole way this car really began. And then if you have a chance to look on the inside, look at all the Dynamat that we're using in here. Dynamat is really the best way to go. I can't believe the change it makes in the car when you put Dynamat inside the doors, inside the chassis and everything. It's like getting in a brand new car. The thing gets so solid feeling and so quiet that it completely changes the feeling on the car. So that's one of the things that there's so much hidden in this car that, you know, you're dazzled by what's on the outside, but really what's on the inside is what really incredibly performance.